Yeah, First Credit Union is sponsoring Mad City Money here at Chandler Gilbert Community College. We have 78 students from junior high to high school ages learning about financial literacy. First Credit Union believes strongly in better preparing ourselves for the real world. So this Mad City Money event is an opportunity for us to have the youth prepare for the real world decisions.
Mad City Money, we're learning about money and how to budget. We learned how to write a check, and we had an interactive experience with how to budget, what kind of stuff we would have to buy when in the future. Food and kid care, a lot more expensive than I thought it was going to be.
All the students in the room next door learning how to manage their money. They were assigned an occupation, whether they're single or married, whether they have kids, and they're over there making decisions on housing, childcare, transportation, and then they go through a worksheet to figure out whether that budget is balanced, and in some cases they find out they need a little bit of help.
I've learned how to write a check and why there's so many different things on it, and like how the written form of how much you're spending on the check is actually how much is put down, not the numbers. And then I've also learned how expensive things can be and how it can be stressful to pay off all your money and put things into savings for kids, spouses, and stuff.